been getting asked this question: is mask season over, or where can I get this color mask and that color mask? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you my official take on if mask season is over, and if you can't tell right now, it's definitely still alive. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Bates from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And in this video, we're gonna talk about mask and mask season and how you should go about purchasing masks moving forward, because mask season is on life support, and we're gonna get to the answer to that right after the intro. Guys, like I said in the intro, this video is about mask season if mask season is dead. So I'm gonna say it's not officially dead. Now, the reason I'm gonna say it's not officially dead is because it's on life support right now. Do we need them? Yes. Is it as crazy as it was in the beginning when I started the whole mask season little promo and drive to just get everybody masks? No, we don't need them as much as we do, but you can still make money off of masks. And I've been getting a lot of questions. First and foremost, is mask season dead? And that's my answer. No, it is not. It's just on life support. So what does that actually mean when I say it's on life support? That means I'm not going to tell you to go out and order 100 masks, just get 50 masks. I'm going to tell you to order what you need for the job. If you want to have a few laying around so that if people come and they want to get a quick custom mask to match a shirt or something like that, that's fine and well. I'm not going to get out here and say order 100 black and 50 royal and red. I'm not going to do that. But instead, what I'm going to tell you to do is simply order what it is that you need for the jobs that you're working on. Now, I've been getting questions like, hey, where can I find this color mask? Where can I find that color mask? I still have masks myself, but I don't push them or sell them anymore because it's slowed down and it just doesn't make sense for me to do it. But Circle Clothing with the perfect hoodie also has masks by the boatload, okay? You can get pretty much, if they don't have the color, it probably don't have it anywhere. I'm just saying, because look at this. These are adult masks, pink, royal, this purple, I don't know what color this is, this light lavender, red, this light blue color, aqua, orange, cream, another color I don't know, a heather color, a heather gray, a navy, forest green heather, a Kelly green, a pink, a orange, a regular purple, a maroon maroon color, a black, and like this cream heather color. That's adult. Now they got some tie-dye masks. Boom here, boom here, boom, boom. Okay, so you guys, if you need masks and you're looking for a color, if they don't have it, I don't know where to tell you to go. So you guys can go to circle.tshirtsizehustle.com. That's my affiliate link. That lets them know that I'm doing my job here, and I'm not really my job, but I'm educating you guys on where to get it. But that allows them to give me some credit. That allows you to support the channel at no extra cost. You get what you need. They take care of the rest. But I'll stop there. All the colors I just showed you are also available in kids masks. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Now, what age group? Jada has worn some of these masks, and she's about 10 years old. Some of the kids masks that I had were a lot smaller when I had them myself, but these are gonna get you for kids, you know, a little bit older than what I had initially. So they got all of those colors as well in kids masks. And not only that, they got some kids tie-dye masks as well. So is mask season dead? Absolutely not. It's just on life support, which means order what you need. So before I go, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I press up a mask. I got my pressing pillow, and honestly, I line a bunch of them up. I like these masks because they lay flat, which means you can just line a bunch of them up and get them pressed up at once. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make a mask for someone. I might put a mask in all of the orders here, but that was a kid's mask. Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure Jada would love to wear this. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that. I got my super color transfer. There's mask transfers in different sizes. There's 2 sizes that you can get from super color, or you can honestly just use a wearable if you needed something a little bit different. But the mask transfer is gonna get you the best pricing. So I have one of those here. And again, I got my pressing pillow. I love these masks because they lay flat. I'm gonna press it here, dead center for, close that down. All right, 15 seconds at 320 degrees. And when it opens, we are gonna peel hot, low, smooth, and with confidence. If you're having trouble with your pressure, make sure you're leaning into it and putting some pressure on it. All right, boom. Perfect mask right here using super color mask from Circle Clothing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And is mask season dead? Officially not, man. Masks are still selling. Schools need them. Sports teams need them. People need them. They need to wear them in places. They make a custom shirt. You can also add a custom mask on there. These masks are not expensive. Click the link down in the description to go get you some, and you can check out the price and different things like there. And all of this is said to say, just keep hustling, man. Do what you need to get the jobs done. And if you need masks, Circle Clothing's got them. And let them know I sent you by using those affiliate links down in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts is. Have you still been making money on masks? I don't know. But this has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace. Okay, so we're at the T-Shirt Side Hustle website, and I'm going to show you guys how to request an actual video. So I'm just going to go to menu. I'm going to go to resources, and then here's cut settings, stay and suggested heat presses, and then video request. Okay, here it basically just says, I'm not going to promise you that I'll get to everybody, but whenever I'm looking for an idea or something to make a video on, I will check this page and see what you guys have. This is a lot better than leaving it in the comments, although you can leave it in the comments and I'll see it. But if I don't get to that video right away, I'll forget about it. But come over here and place your suggestions. So now I can just come to this list and pull up some videos, ideas, and then go ahead and go through them. So you just put your name, your email, and you leave a comment with your suggestion, and then it'll get posted and I'll see it. Everybody will see it and check the list for your idea first.